Hello, in today's video, I'm going to explain how the PavementSoft app works. So, if you have an account in PavementSoft where you can log in, you can view the dashboard, you can view some of the things depending on the type of account that you have, either executive, administrative, salesperson, or foreman, will depend on what it is you can see. But as long as you have an account where you can log in and it's your own account, we can come over here to manage users. So this is the test account. It's an executive account. As long as I have an account, what I can do, the app itself is free to download. So I can search um, this is what the Apple Store would look like on my phone. I can search for PavementSoft and I can click on it. I have it downloaded, of course, so you would click download here. It is free. There is no charge at all. But what you do need is once you download the app, you can open it. And then what you would do is you would use your email and your password that you sign in with on the computer to log into the app. And by doing so, by logging into the app with your email and your password, you will be able to see your information inside the app. If you do not, if you are trying to get someone who does not have an account, say you're trying to get a foreman to be able to use the app, and they do not have an account here, you would need to add user here. So you would just click on their email, add their email, what their name is, select what their permission would be, click foreman if you're trying to add a foreman so that the foreman can use maybe an iPad on the job to fill out dailies. And things like that. And then you would click add user, and an email will be sent to this email here, and they will need to click on that email, and there's a link in there that they need to click on that would activate their account. And once their account is active, they would then be able to go into the app, use that email and password, um, and start looking at the schedule, printing work orders, and adding jobs for salesmen, creating opportunities. So that is how the app works. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to us at support@pavementsoft.com. Thank you.